For severe weather, go to our website.
We were getting tornadoes.
The
The National Weather Service.
when you can do so safely.
Tornadoes.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for central Brown County, northwestern Adams County
It's
in south central Ohio,
1:35 in the
southwestern
morning.
County in south central Ohio until 2 a.m. At 1:19
It's
a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Redden,
June
moving east at
18th,
45 miles an hour.
Wednesday night,
Hazard,
Thursday morning.
Source, radar indicated rotation.
I bet there's been a dozen tornado warnings all around me.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
I'm actually wearing my pro coat for protection
Windows and vehicles will
in
occur.
case.
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Mount Orab, Winchester,
Tornadoes,
Sardinia, Emerald,
tornado
Russellville,
warnings,
Cameronville,
tornado warnings,
Georgetown,
tornado warnings,
Greenbush, Lake Winoka, Buford, Fincastle.
tornado warnings,
The
tornado
warning
warnings.
remains in effect until 2 a.m. for central Brown, northwestern
And what you're
Adams,
hearing is
southwestern Highland counties.
they're talking about it.
At 1:35
National
a.m.,
Weather
a severe
Service.
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles south of Mount Orab, moving east at 40
Nothing
miles an
through
hour.
Goshen yet.
Hazard, tornado.
Close.
Source,
Batavia.
radar indicated rotation.
I'm
Impact,
just trying to
flying
thank
debris will be dangerous to those caught without
Claremont
shelter.
County, Warren County,
Mobile homes will be
Hamilton
damaged or
County,
destroyed.
Brown County.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.